Hey everybody, it's Mark Edward Lewis with Cinema Sound here at Cinema Sound Studio B. Today we're going to be talking about the Saramonic TM-7 Hypercardioid shotgun microphone. It's really not a shotgun microphone, it's more like a rifle microphone. It's uber narrow polar pattern, and we talk about it in the MZ Cinema Sound Education and then other videos here on the Cinema Sound channel. But one of the great benefits of the TM-7, which is not just its narrow polar pattern, is that it has a high-frequency shelf boost. And what that means is it allows it to really pick up some beautiful high frequencies that otherwise might not be there. And you can hear it just if I talk in dialogue. 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3, turn it on. Test 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, turn it off. Test 1, 2, 3, sibilant, and on. Sibilant. And why this is valuable is not just for doing dialogue or ADR, if you'd used a shotgun on set for your actors, but for Foley. And Foley, we want to add as much high frequencies as is reasonable, not adding too much hiss, but also we want to record Foley in such a way that it's bigger than life. And having a high frequency shelf there really makes that happen. So I'm going to turn this off. All right, so let's try. Let's see what this is. This is with the shelf off. And with it on. Off. On. It really makes for a lovely Foley recording, something that, is bigger than life, that obviously would never be that loud in a mix, but once you bring it down very low, it makes it sound wonderful and gives you that super Hollywood impact. And a lot of people don't use hypercardioids or shotgun mics for Foley, but I sure do. And this TM-7 from Saramonic is an excellent way to do it. You can use the TM-1 as well, the NV5. All three of those microphones are excellent versions, options, if you will, of getting great Foley. If you're recording Foley in your closet, like we talk about in the Cinema Sound Education or somewhere else, let us know how it's going on our hidden but nonetheless useful Facebook group, or just here on the Cinema Sound blog, or even here on the YouTube channel. Let us know how it's going for you. We always want to support you, the independent media creator, to get that Hollywood $50 million impact into your productions. Until then, we'll see you in the Foley pit.